Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.2 question number 1. Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. We have to find the product of these monomials. Let us find the product. Here you see question number 1. Question number 1 is we have to find the product of these monomials. That is 4 into 7p. First of all, multiply the number, that is 4 into 7. 4 into 7 into p. 4 7 is 28. 28 p, and that is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is minus 4p into 7p. 7p. First of all, multiply the number, that is minus 4 into 7 into p into p, that is equal to minus 4 7 minus 28, and p into p is p square. That is the answer of question number 2. Now question number 3 here you see is minus 4p minus 4p into 7p cube. 7p cube. We can write here as, first of all, multiply the number, that is minus 4 into 7 into p into p into q. That will be equal to minus 4 7 28 minus 28 p into p, that is p square, and q. That is the answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is 4p cube into minus 3p, that is equal to 4. First multiply the number, 4 into minus 3 into p cube into p. Therefore we are getting minus 4 3 is 12. p cube into p is p4. 12 p4, and that is the answer. Question number 5. 4p into 0, that can be written as, first multiply the number 4 into 0 into p. We are getting the value 0, and that is the answer. In this way we will find the various multiplication, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.